What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today we got a package from the smartwatch manufacturer. This is a new brand in a market and they sent me to review this watch, and the model is S2, Rogbid S2. Let's open and see how beautiful and good will be this watch. So a lot of plastics. This is the packaging. Smartwatch, link contact comfortable. What's here? Model S2. CPU is Realtek. Screen size 1.83, 240 to 484 display pixels. Battery 450 milliampere. They promise that it can last more than 60 days in a normal use. RAM 128 megabyte. Bluetooth version 5.0. System is compatible for Android and iOS or above. App, they have the app called Dafit. Strap silicone, waterproof, IP69 5 ATM. Weight 50 grams. So this one is a protected model. It's a kind of military grade protection. As they see, heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, any type of tracking of the activities, waterproof, and torch button, so you can use as your watch in some areas as a torch. And I assume this is the color of the watch. Manufacturer is Rogbid technology. So that is it. So let's open and see how it looks like from the inside. So we got the user manual. Model name is S2. As I told you, it has lots of protection. So everything is in English, as well as I can see there is a different other languages like French or Italian or Spanish. But this is how it looks like. So you need to scan this code to download the app. And as usual, from control center, swipe down, swipe up, swipe down, swipe up messages, shortcuts, watch faces. I'm not fan of the square watch faces, but let's see. Let's open and see. Okay, it is, I can say it is pretty heavy because of this protection. Straps are kinda good quality, very smooth. Color is nice. Nice gray color with double bucket. Let's open this and see how it... Okay. So this is the watch. We have two buttons. One scrolling button, and I think this one is the power. Let's see if there is any juice. Or maybe this one is power. No. That watch was very long way to me, so maybe there is a battery completely drained out. Let's see what else we have in the package. So I think this is a charging cable. Yes, as usual, standard 2-pin, standard USB charging cable. So this is it, guys. I will put on to charge this device and then we'll make you another review. But this one is good for the people who likes big watches and lots of protection. So it looks like very military and will be nice. So you can see compared with my Galaxy Watch 3 how they look like. But this is heavy. That's it, guys. Leave your comments, like my videos if you like them, share it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.